Okay, welcome back guys to the YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys the Guide Gear truck tent. This is the one for 6-foot bed because I'm driving a 1999 GMC Sonoma 4-wheel drive with a 6-foot bed. And for those of you watching this video on Amazon for an Amazon review, it fits perfect. Moving on. I do believe at this point the rest of it has to be done inside the truck because this black ridge pole goes long ways from cab to tailgate inside the tent. So we've got to get the tent in the truck. Alright, well, there's a nighttime look. We'll get a fresh go and look at it in the morning. As far as how rainproof it is, I don't know. We've not had a drop of rain since I put it on the truck. But I will tell you this. I bought this this tent, 4 days ago. It's been on the truck ever since. It's not been off. And it has been exposed to sustained winds throughout all of today, pretty much gusting up to, sustained at 35 miles per hour, gusting up to 45, even probably brushing 50. And it stayed in place and weathered it like a champ. As far as rain, a couple of nights from now, we got a good rain chance. I will be doing an overnighter in it, hoping for rain so I can see how dry it comes out the next morning. Another thing I really do like about this Gear Guide tent, of course this is common with most truck tents, but I'm sitting inside here on a cot up off the floor with a mattress. Okay, my head's not brushing the ceiling if I stay right here in the middle. I like that I have plenty of room to sit in here and sit up if I need to. I'm not sitting with my head crouched over or anything like that, you know, kinking my neck. So 4.5 feet of height from the bed of the truck to the apex right here where this pole is. Love it. Okay, as you can see, I'm at 30 miles an hour. We got a little flapping on the tent, but it's staying in place at 30 miles an hour. So yes, you can drive with it. 35 now. Okay, so as you can see, for a moment going down this dirt road, I had the truck up to about 40, and the tent is still relatively where I had it strapped down. Now it's not strapped down real tight either, so you can see that there has been some sliding, the strap being back here. So all I have to do is readjust. But yes, you can drive with it. Like I said, at one point I hit 40 miles per hour. So as long as you were smart enough not to take this hook and hook it into your rim or something crazy like that, you can absolutely drive with this on here and move between, say, camp spots in different parks and such at low speeds. I would not recommend anything over, really, honestly, about 35 miles per hour, but if you keep it under 35, you're not going to have any problems. Okay, don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you'd like to, reach over there and hit the subscription button. If you do, you can choose to select all notifications, dinging that notification bell down there in the corner. Get notified when I upload future videos. Questions, comments, hey, hit me up, drop them down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good night.